So it's just like any other product, except for the fact that it changes color. So it starts out pink. Let me try not to make a mess here. Yeah, it is a little different. So we'll put it's kind of cold in here. Filler.
Not really.
So the cool thing about this is as it dries, it's going to change to this light green color, which with Evercoat, green means go, so that's what we want. So it'll take a little bit, but as it's underneath here's an example. So that's what it looks like when it's dry. But if you watch this, it'll start to change color. So like at the shop, I could spread something, I could go to the paint booth or go to another project that we're working on, and I could work on that, and I don't have to constantly come back and check this. Not to mention, what a problem a lot of people make is they'll wipe their bondo and they'll want to hit it before it's dry. That's not good because it actually rips it off the metal underneath. So you really want the product to be completely dry before you start sanding it.
And I know this from experience. When I've done it wrong, I had to take it back off.
Yes.
Yeah, it's again for people that are not as familiar, it's a great product, so that I will know, remember when it's time, and you can save time. And as quickly as we work, that's just some shit fast. Right.
Well, thanks a lot for demonstrating, and both Mike and Jason will be here until 3 o'clock signing autographs. And if you have any questions on optics, go to evercoat.com.